Mr. Sam Denay.
Sam Denay, the Encyclopedia of Reno Government. Sam is an Air Force Academy graduate, and as we speak, we have a bunch of Nevada Supreme Court judges down there deciding whether or not the citizens of Nevada get to vote for their own congressman. I think what the Republican poobahs who sign the checks and pull the strings, snatch the bodies and steal the votes, those poobahs of a couple hundred people should not be allowed to decide who gets to vote and who vote for and who gets to go to Congress. Every citizen who wants to run for Congress should be allowed on that ballot. And my prediction is that the judges are going to do the honest and honorable thing and allow all citizens who want to run for Congress to be able to run for Congress. Even Mr. Klinger could put his name on there, or Mayor Cashell could put his name on there, along with the other 35 people who are already on there. Anyway, it will be a dastardly thing if they allow a couple of poobahs to decide who gets to be on a ballot. That is totally un-American, and I don't mean to sound like a curmudgeon, but this really stinks to high heavens. Yesterday over at the county commission, I was one of the very few people to go to the podium and adamantly speak against the disintegration of the fire department. And yet, despite my adamant objection, the county commission, on a vote of 4-1, voted to disband that merger that I spoke adamantly in favor of many years ago. And it has not been a perfect merger. I've never seen a perfect merger. But what we have had in the meantime has been far better than what was taking place before that, both as far as safety and as far as the financial impact to the community. So I think those people are wrong to try to disband the fire department. I notice Mr. Klinger is here for his third day. I have to remind him once again to make sure that his #1 rule in the morning when he gets up is to remind himself to, guess what? Listen to Sam. And if he doesn't hear me talking about it, he can go to my website, renocitizen.com. There are probably enough suggestions and ideas on there to save this community $150 million within 6 months. By the way, the governor has taken to becoming a Sam Denay watcher. He came down to the coffee shop the other day, and immediately the paparazzi arrived. He wanted a picture with Sam. He said, Sam, I've got a lot of pictures in my archives. I'd like a picture of Sam. And there it was. He took the picture, and he gave me a picture too, and I put it and dedicated one of my music albums. It says right on there, everybody's asking, who's that with Sam in the picture? Last but not least, my good friend Judge Bill Munnell this morning. Judge Munnell tells me not to come down here anymore, and he said, here's what you ought to tell them, Sam. If they don't start cleaning up the problems in this community, tell them that Sam's not going to come to the meetings anymore.
I send you, Mr. Denay, since you're leaving. No, sorry about that. All right, I'll